Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook cover photo. The ideal Facebook banner size is 820 pixels wide by 462 pixels tall. Since you can control how people will view your page, it's best to use Facebook cover photo dimensions that can work for desktop and mobile. The size that seems to work best is 820 pixels wide by 462 pixels tall. To make sure any important information in your cover image doesn't get cut off on desktop or mobile, keep text and graphics within a center safe zone and don't push anything too far into the margins. In this video, we're going to go over the basics of Facebook cover photos, but if you're feeling pro, you can use a video instead of a photo for your Facebook banner. And you can still upload your photo and then adjust it. Facebook has a repositioning feature you can use to resize your photos and videos. First, navigate to your Facebook page. Then tap the menu and tap the cover photo. Click the cover photo, then tap upload photo. Then select the photo you'd like to upload. A preview of your photo will appear in the cover space. Click the photo and drag it up or down to the vertical orientation of your liking. If you're happy, click Publish. If you don't like how your Facebook cover photo is positioned after you've published it, you can click Update Cover and then Reposition. As you upload more cover photos, you'll build up a library. If you ever want to replace your current cover photo with an older one, click Select Photo instead of Upload Cover Photo, and you'll be able to choose from previously uploaded images. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.